afternoon, everybody. Today I'll be creating a cherry strawberry smoothie using orange juice. So first, remove this, add just enough orange juice, so 750 milliliters of orange juice. Then you add the bananas. Smoothie have bananas here. This is equivalent to 2 medium-sized bananas. So put them here. Then you add the strawberries. You add the frozen strawberries. These are about 200 grams, or about a handful of strawberries. So you put them here. Frozen strawberries. Then you add this frozen cherries. Those are fresh cherries. Put them in here. Those are fresh cherries. Then you add the chia seeds. These chia seeds are equivalent to 2 tablespoons. And then you have 2 dates, very cool dates. Put them here. And if you want, you can add a little ice. In this case, it's only about like ingredients. So if you add this, then just want the blender, like so. You blend for about 2 minutes, not more than, blend for about 2 minutes. on the powdered ingredient blender. So you should match the ingredients to the powdered ingredient blender. So And this, so I just made like I said, a cherry strawberry smoothie. If you like the YouTube video, please subscribe, and I'll explain more to you about how to match the ingredients to the blender video. Well, thank you. Well, thank you very much.